Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer and electrical engineer. Totally, we will be having two different jobs. So kindly don't skip the video and see fully. So first we will be dealing with mechanical jobs and second off we will be dealing with electrical jobs. So name of the company is Lamb Research. So I will be giving the link in description. If you click that link, it will be directing to the official page of Lamb Research. So the title is post is project engineer grade 1 and the job location is Bangalore. So Lamb Research is a leading market of semiconductors all over the world. So here you can see the company description and profile, and also I will provide the company official website so that you can have a glance of it. So mainly what they will be expecting is like doing projects and initiative, and you have to optimize the problem and collaborate both internally and externally across various teams for project deliverables. And just see what are the other things they expect from you. The main minimum qualification is you should have a B mechanical engineering with 0 to 3 years of experience and knowledge and experience in design and mechanical component using machinery standards or mechanical drafting. Manufacturing process knowledge such as machining, welding and sheet metal is also extra. In addition to it, you have to have a experience and knowledge in automation softwares like Creo, Python, etc. and should have a experience in 3D modeling and assembling using Creo, Nginx, etc. So preferred qualifications are you should have a knowledge in project management tools and knowledge in engineering change management process, etc. So if you are willing to apply for this job, then kindly click the icon apply now. So you have to fill your details, and they will be intimating the interview either online or offline, and everything will be intimated through email. And next is for electrical engineers, that is trainee engineer for electrical department. So the name of the company is Mott MacDonald. So it will be involving with 2 billion managements and almost 17,200 staff all over the world, and they have their headquarters and offices in almost 160 countries. So just see the company profile. I will be giving the company website so that you can see the company profile and etc. So what specification which they expect from you is you have to finish your BE or BTech or PG in electrical engineering and have flexible and motivated engineers they are expecting. You should have a good verbal and written communication in English, a strong ethics and willing to learn. So other than that, you should be have competitive group in what are the other schemes which they will be giving, like competitive annual leave and sick leaves they will be giving, and group term life insurance and insurance group medical insurance and all they will be giving, short and long term global employment opportunities. So these are the facilities and extra added advantage which they give to us. And those who are interested can click the icon apply now. If you click the icon, you need to fill your basic details, and they will be intimating through mail. Either online or offline interview will be done, and candidates will be shortlisted based on your academic background and performance in interview. So this video will be very much helpful and useful for mechanical and electrical engineer. So kindly share with them, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator, so that we will be bringing all the job opportunities related to mechanical and electrical to your doorstep. Stay tuned with our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.